Looks like they're on different controllers. Which means 2 separate videos of each. So this would probably be set number 1. These are the elevators at the new Durham Hall here at ASU Tempe. I believe this replaced the Language and Literature building.
Floor 6. Going down.
Or you know what, these may have been the original elevators because you can see the door tracks. I think they just added to the building, but I'm not sure.
Floor L1. Going up.
Yep, these may still have been the original Language and Lit building elevators, but it's hard to tell.
Floor 6.
Southwest elevator.